Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 Plus versus Ultimate trims. We'll explore the distinct features and enhancements each offers, helping you understand their value. While both provide exceptional safety and a refined driving experience, the Ultimate trim builds upon the Plus with additional luxuries and advanced technology. We'll highlight these specific upgrades to guide your decision-making process. The XC90 Plus trim provides a luxurious and well-equipped experience. You'll find comfortable leather upholstery and stylish 20-inch wheels. For convenience and safety, it includes a 360-degree camera system and comprehensive park assist. Cold weather is no match for the heated steering wheel and heated rear outboard seats, ensuring comfort for all passengers. This trim offers a sophisticated package for discerning drivers. Stepping up to the XC90 Ultimate trim brings an even higher level of luxury and technology. Enjoy the exquisite Nappa, leather upholstery, and ventilated front seats for superior comfort. A graphical head-up display projects key information onto your windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Audiophiles will appreciate the premium 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, distinctive 21-inch wheels, and an elegant Auriforce crystal gear selector knob complete this top-tier offering. Deciding between the Plus and Ultimate trims depends on your personal preferences and how much you value the additional premium features. The Plus trim delivers a fantastic balance of luxury and advanced technology, making it a strong contender for many. However, if you desire the absolute pinnacle of comfort, cutting-edge tech, and exquisite finishes, the Ultimate trim is designed to exceed those expectations. And speaking of making life easier, check out the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.